I moved to the USA. I moved to the USA. I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. I find a new home. I find a new home. I unpack my bags. I unpack my bags. I explore the city. I explore the city. I meet new people. I meet new people. I make new friends. I make new friends. I learn English words. I learn English words. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. I eat American food. I eat American food. I visit famous places. I visit famous places. I see tall buildings. I see tall buildings. I go to school there. I go to school there. I study hard. I study hard. I do my homework. I do my homework. I play with friends. I play with friends. I join activities. I join activities. I feel happy. I feel happy. I call my family. I call my family. I share my day. I share my day. I write about my life. I write about my life. I enjoy my time. I enjoy my time. I learn and grow. I learn and grow. I love living here. I love living here.